Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of DXY, US dollar index in front of us. As we were discussing that to continue the upside, DXY needs to cross 106 and go up. Yesterday, DXY did cross 106 level, but it failed to sustain. DXY made a high of 106.12, and as price failed to sustain, okay, market showed some immediate correction, and right now the dollar index is standing around 105.91. This is the current market price. So if the correction continues, we can expect 105.75 to be the next support, where we have the FIBO 50 plus previous support to act as resistance. Along with that, we also have the multiple dynamic supports. So if the correction continues, obviously we can expect the buyers present around 105.75 to hold the market. And if DXY bounces from here, reverses from here, obviously we will see selling pressure on Euro USD, GBP USD again. So you need to plan your trades accordingly. And we can also see that the economy calendar is showing that today we have news coming up. So my dear friends, please be careful at the time of news. Okay, try to follow the trend of the market. Forget about levels that we are going to discuss, because we are retail traders. We need to know when to go with the technicals and when to go with the fundamentals. After all, survival is very important here. Okay, not to show our skills. And if you look at the market sentiment, dollar hovers near 2-month high. Dollar index held around 106 on Thursday after reaching a 2-month high in the previous session, underpinned by hawkish remarks from a Federal Reserve official and the central bank's cautious approach towards interest rate cuts. If it's a long article, if you want to read, I can paste the link in the description. Okay, so dollar index is overall bullish right now. We have discussed about DXY. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. So Euro USD beautifully bounced from our support level. Okay, the support of 1.0666. So my dear friends, if you have taken a buy or you're sitting on a buy right now, you can be on the trade till European session. Okay, I'm not saying till US session, European session, because if you look at the structure of the market here, you can clearly see the market is forming lower highs. In lower, when the structure of the market is lower highs, obviously holding a buy, hoping for a trend reversal is not a very good thing. Hope cannot be a trading strategy. Okay, the same line I use on the chart, not chart, video of gold also. So here, okay, you can hold for some time. As long as DXY is showing signs of correction, you can hold your buy on Euro USD. Once you'll see that DXY is ready to go up again, or after it's bullish, you need to exit immediately from your Euro USD position, because the structure is also not very positive here. And today, if you're looking for trading opportunities on euro dollar, then we can look for a sell around 1.0706 and 1.0716. These are the two levels, not two levels where you can look for a sell during the day. One more thing I would like to add here is that you can see there is only a difference of 10 pips, so you can also consider this as a zone of the market here. Okay, so if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, you can look for a sell around this area. You can see we have FIBO 50 as well as FIBO 61.8 around this area. If we remove FIBO, then also we can see we have the 200 moving average here, as well as the previous resistance. So if we combine all the factors, price, dynamic support, resistance, everything, then we can consider this to be as a strong resistance, strong presence of sellers. So in absence of any news, we can definitely expect the market to face some resistance around this area. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. But one more thing I would like to add here is that you can see I'm on the hourly time frame. We also have the 50 moving average here. So if you see market is reversing from the 50 moving average, you can also take a sell from there if market shows strong price rejection from above. Now let's go to the daily chart. On the daily chart of Euro USD, we can see a sideways market here, and right now market is trading around this particular zone. So if market breaks and the chances of market breaking the previous low of 1.0666 is quite high. So if market breaks this level because of bullishness on dollar index, you can look for a sell below this level as well. Because on daily time frame also we can see the market is forming lower highs. So the overall the market is not very positive. The chart is not very positive. Then where is the next support? Because of this, we have the next support on the chart of Euro USD around 1.0600. This is the next support here. So if market breaks 1.0666, this low here, and chances are very high, then we can look for a sell below it, and we can look for the next buy around 1.0600. So right now, okay, right now I'm not suggesting any position, because if this is a range here, then after bouncing from the support, market is on the middle of the chart. So we can look for a sell around these two areas before the US session, or we can look for a sell below 1.0666 after the US session. Okay, now let's look at the chart of GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, usually we have a similar picture, but today's picture is little bit different. So we have discussed the support around 1.2620. The support of GBP USD is still very much valid. I will not deny the support is still very much valid. If you have taken a buy, then you must be in profit right now. Same goes with GBP USD also. Euro USD showed a better bounce. Okay. So look at the chart of DXY. Keep your one eye on the chart of DXY. If DXY shows recovery, you need to exit from the GBPUSD immediately, because GBPUSD doesn't seem to be very positive right now. But if market surprises us, if the upside on GBPUSD continues, we can look for a sell around 1.2657 to 1.2670. This is the level where we can look for a sell, because of multiple moving averages, plus obviously we will be having FIBO as well. You can see here we have FIBO 50% retracement level. If we go to the daily chart of GBP USD, okay, you can see on the daily chart, okay, market is trading inside a range here, and if you look at the market structure, then you can see here also market is forming lower highs. Okay, so in the coming days, especially by next week, if GBPUSD goes down further, obviously we should not be surprised, because here also we can see market is continuously forming lower highs, and it seems to be that market is trading inside a downward channel. So in this market condition, taking a sell at resistance seems to be a better strategy, especially if you're a swing trader, or if you prefer to hold your trades for 2-3 days. You can look for a sell around this area, because the present market structure says that if we take a sell on rise, sell at resistance, it's a safe trading strategy. Unlike Euro USD, I will not talk about any support here, okay, because it will not be practical, because chances of market going to support is very less, and chances of market breaking the previous low is also very less. So let's wait and watch. Okay, in comparison to, if we compare Euro USD GBP USD, Euro USD seems to be in a better position right now. Usually I do not prefer to take side of Euro USD, but today, okay, if we observe from a neutral point of view, Euro USD is a better chart. Okay, and GBP USD is a better chart for swing traders. So let's wait and watch. Okay, again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, be careful at a time of news. And my dear friends, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response for the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, which is starting from tomorrow. Hindi classes are already over. English classes will start from tomorrow. If you have missed the opportunity, today is the last day to join, because it's a workshop that has been designed only for those people who are struggling with their market, unable to make money for months and years. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. On the website, you will find all the details. These are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. And in 1 month support, you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis on our WhatsApp group. And we will also be having regular weekly sessions. So total 7 classes you can see. By default, this is our WhatsApp group where I post regular market updates and analysis, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. Because sometimes after the classes, people get confused how to proceed with the market. So the morning updates, okay, helps you to stay in on track. Okay, and During important events like NAP, CPI, we also conduct live sessions and we trade together. So we also have a Telegram community where we share ideas, ask questions. It's a colorful community of traders from all around the world. And these are the dates for the English classes. And if you're unable to attend because of time difference, no need to worry. I record each and every session so that you can watch later. And the best part is the fees. It's only $15 or rupees 1,000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. And as we all know, trading is a journey. Trading takes time. And if you're looking for personal sessions, then you can also look for semi-annual or lifetime support. Because in semi-annual, not only you will be getting support for 6 months, but you will receive 2 personal sessions to clear doubts, ask questions. And in lifetime, you will be receiving 6 personal sessions with me for learning purpose to clear doubts and to gossip if you want. Okay. So everything is very affordable, my dear friends. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to the WhatsApp number here. I will add you to the group. That's all, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.